YouTube was a good job. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Techirism, where we talk real tech. And guys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right? We got in our hands right here the brand new iPhone 16e. Okay, in this box right here. Okay, it got that black, sleek black finish. You feel me? We got it in black. All right, so you already know what's up with this video. You feel me? So, hey, we're gonna get straight into this. I don't need to talk too much because we're gonna get straight into this. All right. So this is the box, obviously. Boom, we got it in black. iPhone. Boom, boom. Right. I already, it's already sealed open because Techrific was like, yo, Techirism, here's a phone, make a review, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? So, unfortunately, I don't have the pull tab open here, so it's okay. We're just gonna open it up like a normal unboxing. So we're gonna open this up right here. Boom, boom. As you guys can see right here, this is the iPhone right here. Very nice, looking very nice. This is the iPhone 16e. Hold on, wait a second. I see some dust. We gotta clean that up. Okay, we gotta clean that up. All right. So boom, this is how it looks like. Man, this thing is really dusty. Hold on. Boom. This is how it looks like. You feel me? In black. All right. In aluminum. All right. Very lightweight. Very lightweight, actually. But it's actually, giving luxury. All right. It's giving that stealth mode. The iPhone 16 keeps that aerospace grade aluminum built, which I like. Okay. When you feel it, it feels really nice. But at the same time, very, very lightweight. All right. And Apple says it can, survive the oops and the whoops. You feel me? But y'all already know I'm not going to drop this thing because why would I do that? But let's take it off. Boom. This is the iPhone right here. Again, dusty as heck. But this is how it looks like, guys. I like it. I'm a sucker when it comes to black iPhones. Just so you know. All right, black and gray is my thing. What else is inside the box? Well, we got right here USB Type C. Okay, to USB Type C, of course. Apple is finally up in their game. Okay, so it feels kind of pretty long actually, but yeah, this is how it looks like. You got your SIM injector as well to put in your SIM card, of course. And then no bricks, no charger because Apple's trying to be eco-friendly. And you got your little pamphlet right here. Okay. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's inside the box. So what we finna do is we're gonna power this thing on. Okay. So let's boot it up. Of course, it's running the latest iOS. Okay, the latest iOS that it's running. Damn, this thing. Okay, one thing that I'm noticing, it's really a dust magnet, which is pretty crazy. All right. So just bear that in mind. But yeah, so this is how it looks like when you power it on. Okay, typical Apple, stuff right here. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. Okay, so obviously you would have to set it up like a normal person, right? So next, next, continue, blah, blah, blah. Then set it up. All right, so I got to set it up real quick. So give me 1 second. All right, so this is the iPhone right here. Okay, so this iPhone, like all the other iPhones, are running the latest iPhone, the iOS, I mean. So it's running 18.3.1, of course. And inside the iPhone, we got the A18 chip, okay, CPU, a 4-core GPU. All right, so what does that mean? Scrolling ain't gonna be a problem, okay? Scrolling ain't gonna be a problem, okay? We could just say that right off the bat. So it's gonna be snappy, no lag or whatsoever, and enough power. All right, to keep stuff running, even if you have 50 tabs open. Okay, even if you have 50 tabs open, this thing should be able to handle it. What about the battery, you might ask yourself, okay? What about the battery? Well, guys, Apple claims that this battery is able to keep up for 26 hours of video playback, okay? So that's like a whole Netflix series, a whole like a whole series, bunch of seasons, without even reaching for this damn charger right here, okay? That's what they claim, at least, all right? But I didn't put it to the test, so take my words with a grain of salt. The battery, though, it's 4,005 milliamp battery, okay? So that's pretty decent. That's pretty good. So, I mean, that's what Apple says, okay? So, I mean, if Apple says it, you know, it might be true, it might not. But anyways, I digress. The camera, though, all right? Let me open the camera real quick. As you guys can see, obviously, the camera is way smaller than any other iPhone out there. Like the iPhone 16 Pro, like you can't even like compete with the iPhone 16 Pro when it comes to the camera, all right? So yeah, that's how the camera looks like, you feel me? Let me open it up. Let me show you what so yeah, as you guys can see, this is the camera right here. All right, you guys can see I got my little tablet right here with the script and whatnot. So just make sure I don't forget nothing. But yeah, this is the camera right here. Okay, boom, boom, video. You can go all the way to 4K 60 frames per second. Okay, no problem whatsoever. Okay, but of course, it's nothing like the Pro model. Let me just say that once more. It's nothing like the Pro model. Okay, it has a 48 megapixel, main camera, as you guys can see. So your pictures, your videos, they're gonna look crisp. Okay, they're gonna look crisp, even though your hands are shaking. It also has that night mode. All right, so if you're doing your thing in the night, it should be able to capture that with no problems. Up to 4K, up to 60 frames per second, as you guys saw right here. Okay, it should have been. Hold on, let me show you real quick. 16 frames per second, as you guys can see right here. So you got 60, 24, 30, no problem. And also you got that 12 megapixel front camera. So, boom, as you guys can see. Boom, right? So what about the gaming? You might ask yourself, how does this thing perform when it comes to gaming? Now, Apple claims that your Apple GPU should be able to handle like a lot of gaming, not like crazy gaming, but just enough gaming. All right, because this does have 8 gigabytes of RAM in here, okay, across the board. So when it comes to multitasking, stuff like that, scrolling, you shouldn't have a problem. It should be a breeze when using this phone. And, that's what Apple's really trying to flex this year about the performance. Now, storage. Hey. We about to talk about storage real quick, all right? Now, this iPhone right here, this iPhone 16e comes in 128 gigabytes of storage. That's the lowest. You got 256 gigabyte of storage, which is like mid. And then you got 512 gigabytes of storage. Like, please, Apple, come on, man. Really? Y'all gotta level up with the storage. Okay? You gotta level up with the storage. Ain't nobody trying to rock an iPhone 16e at 512 gigabytes of storage. Alright? Like, you messing about. So if you trying to keep all your memes, TikToks, Instagram videos, whatever the case may be, like, bruh, you gonna have some problems. You're gonna have some problems because I can guarantee you, without a shadow of a doubt, you're gonna be running out of storage. You're gonna be running out of space. Okay, no hate to Apple, but hey guys, come on. We want to level up over here in this department. And what about the colors? You guys might ask yourself, yo, this iPhone 16e got a lot of color. Nah, bruh. It got black. It got white. Okay, there's either black or white. There's no pink. There's no yellow. There's none. Just black and white. That's all you're getting for this thing right here. That's all you're getting. Okay, but the black though, hey, clean as heck. Hold on, let me wipe it. Let me wipe it. Let me wipe it. Boom, clean. It's clean if you ask me. All right. What about the networking? Well, when I say networking, I mean like 5G, LTE, and all that stuff. Yeah, it got it. All right. So this thing, you'll be rocking the LTE, and you can rock, of course, the 5G speed as well, and it shouldn't be an issue when using this phone. Okay. All right. Right now I'm on Wi-Fi, but if I were to put my SIM card, 5G, no problem. Okay. Plus, you also got that dual eSIM support, like any iPhone above. I can't remember the specific iPhone that does not have it. I think it's below iPhone. I think iPhone, anything below iPhone 11 or no, sorry, anything below a 12 actually. I think you cannot have eSIM support, but this does. You know what I'm saying? So hey, if you're trying to separate your work with your personal stuff, hey, be my guest. All right. And this phone also has an IP68 water resistance. Keyword resistant. It's not waterproof. Resistant. So if you walking in the rain and you get this thing, you got a splash of, water on this thing, you good. Okay. But if you're trying to put this thing in the pool, hey, be my guest. I mean, don't be my guest. Don't take my word. Don't take my word for it. But don't do it. Actually, you know what? Just don't do it. It's not worth it. Okay. And of course, no headphone jack, like any iPhone 16 and later versions. Versions before that. Hey, yeah, of course, don't headphone jack. So yeah, that's Apple. Okay. So anyways, that's the video, guys. My final thoughts. What's the verdict? Hey, this iPhone 16 is solid. Looks solid. Battery. I didn't test the battery, so I can't really give you anything about the battery. However, they do say that the battery is pretty smooth. The battery is has a good battery. Okay. Smooth performance. And, and stuff like that. And this iPhone has a clean design. It feels pretty premium. Actually, it feels very premium. What am I saying? Not pretty, very, but it's very lightweight. I'm gonna say that. So, if you're rocking an older iPhone, an iPhone 12 like me, this might be worth it. All right, it might be worth it to get the new iPhone, a newer iPhone. And if you want something even more robust, have more features, has more oomph to it, get a 16 Pro. Get a 16 Pro Max. You won't regret it. All right. So yeah, that's a wrap. All right. Let me know down below in the comments. Are you copying or you dropping the iPhone 16e up in here? All right. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Okay? Because we got more heat coming this way. Alright? So stay real, stay techie, and yeah, YouTube, we out. Peace.